Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. The story begins with the narrator explaining the magic realm, the world our characters inhabit. Everyone can wield magic in this world as it's a part of everyday life, and one's mastery of it determines their social status. We examine a 75-year-old named Regro Burndid, who lives with his son Mash Burndid in a forest away from other humans. After a skirmish about the front door, Regro asks Mash if he finished his training. Mash says he has and asks Regro why his training leads to physicality. Regro informs the audience of Mash's inability to use magic, so he tells Mash he'll explain later and leaves for the day. Regro tells Mash not to venture into the city, and Mash promises he won't. Mash ignores Regro's wishes due to having an empty stomach. He notices many people using magic in the city and wonders why they are using magic for things they could do with their hands. He hands a caterer bent coins and shocks him. He unbends the coins and receives his food. Meanwhile, someone reports that this world's divine envisionary will be Rain Ams, a second year at Eastern Magic Academy, a prestigious school in the magic realm. Only students who demonstrate the highest degree of excellence can achieve this status. Elsewhere, an officer named Brad Coleman attempts to threaten his prisoner with wild antics, but someone calls him and informs him about Mash's unmarked facial features. At the same time, Mash wanders the streets while eating cream puffs and wonders why everyone looks at him differently. He bumps into a member of the magic police and stains the officer's uniform. The officer yells at Mash for his crude actions, so Mash rips off the piece that he stained and promises to return them when they're cleaned. Brad stumbles upon the officer and Mash and tells his comrade to stop causing a fuss. Before he confronts Mash, Regro grabs him and flees. Brad summons a magical bird with his wand and tells him to follow him. Regro yells at Mash for venturing into the city, and Mash apologizes. Regro orders him to complete some morning training routines as punishment. As Mash travels into the forest, Regro wonders if Mash is reaching the point where he wants to venture to places outside the forest. With the magic police catching wind of Mash's existence, Regro knows he'll have to be on high alert. Suddenly, Brad and his men arrive at Regro's household and demand that he tells them where Mash went. After finishing his training, Mash heads home to get some cream puffs. Before Mash opens the door, he overhears Brad conversing with Regro about him. Regro confirms that the magic police tend to remove inferior beings who can't use magic to help magic flourish among the populace. Regro refuses to confess, so Brad pulverizes him. We receive a flashback of a young Regro, who getting belittled for having weak magical capabilities. Regro recounts how he's always been a failure and wanted to end his life. Before he performed said action, he overheard an unmarked, abandoned baby crying. This gave Regro a new reason to live. Regro yells and tells Mash to run away. Mash breaks the door and knocks out one of Brad's goons with immense strength. Mash vows to send all these men to their graves to protect Regro. Brad throws many magical spells at Mash, but he reflects each attack effortlessly. Mash throws a wand at Brad and breaks his spell. He warns Brad not to threaten his family again. Otherwise, he'll murder each of them. Brad asks Mash to do what he asks, and he'll let him and Regro slide. He wants Mash to enroll in the Magic Academy to become the next divine envisionary. He promises society will accept him and that he'll back him up. Brad wants the fortune and prestige that comes with Mash becoming the divine envisionary. Although he knows Mash can handle himself, Brad brings up Regro's well-being to entice Mash to accept his offer. Mash accepts Brad's proposal because he wants him and Regro to live a peaceful life. The episode concludes with Mash walking toward the Magic Academy and vowing to become the next divine